Tesla gets hacked, winning the hackers $100,000 and a Model 3. Hey, hack us. We'll give you $100,000 and a Model 3. Like, all right, sure, no problem. It was the Pwn to Own conference, and in the process, the hackers won 100. Jeez. The automaker has been participating in this competition and offering large prizes for hacking challengers. Hacking vehicles and Tesla vehicles in particular has been a staple of the conference for a few years now. This is commonplace, guys. This is what they do. This is to showcase, hey, we're not afraid. We want to improve. Yeah. Please find a flaw and we'll fix it. And that's obviously what happened here.
Get money.
And a Model 3.
And a Model 3, yes.
That's pretty sick. Confirmed, the hacker person / group, Synactive. I like that name. It's high tech, but it's also snacky.
You like the snacky.
Synactive. Offensive security company. Dojo of many ninjas. Red teaming, reverse engineering, vuln research, dev of security tools, and incident response. These are the type of guys that'll knock you out, Will. You better.
I don't doubt them.
You better steer clear of these guys right here. You're dead. You encounter this?
Yeah.
Go back to the bio. Offensive. Dojo of many ninjas. You better watch
They'll roll me up into a pretzel.
You better watch
Spit me out.
You better watch it. Yeah, click on that picture there. Look at these. Look at the dojo. Click right over here. This was in Vancouver, by the way. Click the image with the guys in it. Yeah, look at the dojo with many ninjas. Let's get it bigger. You're done, dude. You're kidding. You're done. You're done, buddy.
Yeah.
You got the wrong idea. Going toe to toe. Successfully executed a talk to exploit against Tesla Gateway. They earn $100,000 as well as 10 Master of Pwn points and a Tesla Model 3. I guess they showed a picture of a Model S accidentally, but I'm pretty sure it's a Model 3. They're going to get look at that. Look at that.
That looks like hacking.
You're dead. I see the word Tesla in there a few times. These guys get what they want. You're like,
they're not messing around.
I challenge you to get what you want. Yeah, why is that a picture of a Model S?
I don't know.
Curious. They hacked their way out of the Model 3 and into the Model S.
Maybe that's what they need to hack into, the Model S.
And then win a Model 3?
Yeah.
Okay. It's in the red color, too, which is interesting because it's all about red for Tesla these days.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, congrats.
What did they do? Oh, here we go. After having finished their exploit in a hotel room, they successfully compromised the Model 3 infotainment through Bluetooth and elevated their privileges to root. Yeah. That sounds pretty tough. Pretty tough to deal with. They get that root administrator status. Like, we got everything. All we need was Bluetooth. Loser. Like, oh, okay. Thought I was secure.
Yeah.